Huh. It's a little patio to Cravo. I don't think I filmed it. Has some interesting stencils on it, on this building right here. I don't think I've ever filmed Patio de Cravo. But we're gonna film it today. There's some liquors right there. Apple brandy. Old monk rum. Huh. Some interesting stuff. Okay, so we're gonna check out Patio de Cravo, so stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we have Patio de Cravo. That's our street sign right there. So we're gonna be walking down that way. Before we even do, let's just give you a little context of the street and where we're at. Ah, namaste. I think it's Nepal. So we're on Camellia Pisania, which is named after a poet in Macau. And at our start of our street, it's going to be going down. We have all these other little alleys like this one, Travessa de Velhos. And we're going to be going down that one, the little courtyard. Oh, there's somebody up on their balcony up there. So let's head on down. Cravo Courtyard. These right here are storm guards. So that's when typhoons come in, and there'll be some pretty bad flooding in that area. I think I have been in this. I think I have done this before on a really rainy day, because those buildings up ahead look very familiar. And I think in those videos, which should be connected to the back of this one, I'll put it as a thumbnail. But there was a really rainy day and I was walking down the street and there was a woman, it was right after the typhoon actually, and there was a woman that came out in a small little window, looked like a ghost, and that's in these buildings right up here. And in that video I was kind of startled, so we'll play that one. That'll be connected at the back of this one. Yeah, I walked around in this area after a typhoon just to see what kind of damages I could see. Oh, and then it turned into Velhos, so that would have been labeled after Velhos. So our courtyard is just this little tiny one right here. And then I guess it changes into another one. So it's, so the other one it turns into is Velhos, which is also a courtyard as well. Yeah, it's kind of these old style homes. Huh, it's like a little I think I was, let me try to capture this a little bit. These homes right here are kind of interesting. See, I think when I was here on that rainy day, I was like right about here and I was looking down and somebody appeared right there. It was on camera and this kind of startled me. But I guess they always have their window open. Some kind of cool looking buildings though. Hello.
Yo, hello. How are you?
Very good. So we got two courtyards. We have Patio de Cravo, so there's a sign right there, and then we have ours right here, this other one, Patio de Velhos. So that's the one that I filmed on that rainy typhoon night, and I would have walked up the whole street. So let's go down and we'll finish our video. And we're not too far from Pont 16 as well. Oh, they got a shrine right here. Huh. Okay. And it looks like there's a little bit of a park right here as well. It's a little park. So we come out to the end of our street here. So that was our target street right down that way. So we have two courtyards, Velhos and then the other one as well. Hello. So pretty cool little space. And I guess we're gonna end it right there. So we got two courtyards that were right in this space right here. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.